Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss 100 most important polity questions. I've already made a similar video on history and geography. You can go and check that out in our playlist section. Also, as we are discussing polity, so this will automatically include articles in constitution, right? Articles in constitution. So these articles, if you go and check our past papers on CMAT, so you will find that there are lots of questions on article. So this video is extremely important. Please watch this again and again. Also, I will make a separate video on articles, but that will come later. So the first question is the retirement age of a Supreme Court judge is, so that is 65 years. Next question, Niti Aayog is a which type of body? So is it by act or by constitution? So this is extra constitutional body. What that means is that it is neither by act nor by constitution, rather an executive orders passed by cabinet. The first chief election commissioner of India. So Sukumar Sen is the answer. Which post is termed as the chief law officer of Government of India? That would be Attorney General of India. The Government of India Act 1935 was based on. So see, the first thing is this act is extremely important because most of our constitution is based on this act only. We have borrowed many things from other countries' constitution, but the primary contributor to our constitution is Government of India Act 1935. So this was based on Simon Commission. Next question, which amendment added socialist and secular in our preamble? This is extremely important. So the answer is 42nd. The first general election in India was held in 1951. First amendment in our Indian constitution 1951 again. Who has the power to decide whether a bill is money bill or not? So this would be decided by Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which right is the heart and soul of Indian constitution according to B.R. Ambedkar? Okay. So that would be right to constitutional remedies, that is Article 32. See again article thing. So please remember this. The abolition of untouchability is mentioned in which article? Article 17. The resignation of President of India is addressed to whom? So that would be Vice President of India. Total number of Rajya Sabha members. So that is 245. The directive principles of a state policy is borrowed from which country's constitution? That would be Ireland. The chairman of drafting committee for constitution, that is easy question, B.R. Ambedkar. President of joint sitting or session of two houses in parliament. So this is governed by Speaker of Lok Sabha. Primary objective of joint sitting session. So the primary objective is to resolve the deadlock between two houses. The right to property as fundamental right was revoked by which amendment? So that would be 44th in 1978. National emergency. So national emergency can be invoked during wars, rebel or aggression. So this is described by which article? Article 352. Emergency. President's rule due to failure of constitutional machinery is described in which article? So that would be Article 356. Indian Constitution was adopted on which date? So this was adopted on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. India is declared as Union of States. Fundamental duties were added in which amendment? So again 42nd 1976. The maximum possible gap between two sessions of a parliament, that would be 6 months. Number of Anglo-Indian members nominated by President in Lok Sabha, that would be 2. Ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha, Vice President of India. Number of schedules in Indian Constitution, that would be 12. Amendment which reduced voting age from 21 years to 18 years, that is 61st amendment. This is also extremely important. Right to education under which amendment? That was 86th 2002. Article which describes the financial emergency by President, that would be Article 360. Article under which one can go to Supreme Court for violation of freedom rights, that would be Article 32. Right to equality, that is no discrimination on the basis of color, religion, place of birth, caste, gender, under which article? That would be Article 14. Article which describes the procedure of impeachment of President, that is Article 61. Term, that is number of years of Rajya Sabha member. So Rajya Sabha member can be for 6 years at max. Money bill can be tabled in which house only? So that would be Lok Sabha. So money bill can't be tabled in Rajya Sabha. Prorogation, that is the termination of houses, can be done by President of India. The governor of a state is appointed by, that would be President. First state to adopt Panchayati Raj, that will be Rajasthan. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court of India, Leela Seth for Himachal Pradesh. The Finance Commission is formed for 5 years. Amendment for GST. So this was in 101 to 2016. Who declares national or financial emergency in India? That would be President. Right to vote is fundamental right. True or false? It is false. So it is legal right. Some people say it as political right also. So this is false. This is legal right as per Article 326. How many members of the Rajya Sabha retire from the House after every 2 years? So 1/3. Article dedicated to the personal liberty and protection of life. Article 21. Which schedule has provisions of disqualification of MPs according to the defection law? So defection law is basically, defection means changing party by a politician, right? So that would be 10th schedule. Which amendment banned political defections? That would be 52nd in 1985. Amendment powers of India Parliament are granted under article, that would be Article 368. Article 1 describes India as Union of States. Sachidanand Sinha as chairman of Constituent Assembly was replaced by whom? So Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So Sachidanand Sinha was temporary chairman of Constituent Assembly of India. Which article give power to Indian Supreme Court to issue writs? So that would be Article 32. Which article give power to the High Court to issue writs? That would be Article 226. Primary objective of writs. So that would be to protect and enforce fundamental rights. This is important. So the primary objective of writs are to protect and enforce fundamental rights by the courts. So this can be only by Indian Supreme Court or High Court of an state. Which article primarily deals with the fundamental rights? So that would be Article 12 to 35 in Part 3. Number of parts in Indian Constitution, so that would be 25. The concept of single citizenship is borrowed from England. Fundamental rights are borrowed from US. Parliamentary form of government is borrowed from UK. The concurrent list is borrowed from Australia. Constituent Assembly to frame Constitution was formed in the year, so that was 1946. Constituent Assembly was founded on the basis of which act? So that would be Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. How many types of emergencies in India? So there are 3: national, state and financial. The temporary president of Constituent Assembly, so that was Sachidanand Sinha. The post of president can be vacant for a maximum of 6 months. Who administers the oath of President of India? That would be Chief Justice of India. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha, G.B. Mavlankar, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. The minimum age of Lok Sabha member, so that is 25 years. The minimum age of Rajya Sabha member, that is 30 years. 6 fundamental freedoms are guaranteed under which article? That is Article 19. Who has the authority to declare financial or national emergency in India? So that would be President. How many types of writs? So there are 5 types of writs. Which writ offers protection against unlawful detention? So that would be habeas corpus. So if you are unlawfully arrested by police, so you can use this writ, habeas corpus. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha, so that is 250 under Article 80. How many members can be nominated in Rajya Sabha? That is 12 by President. Which part deals with the directive principles of a state policy? That is Part 4. Number of fundamental duties. So there are 11. Chief Minister is appointed by whom? So that is Governor of a state. The tenure of Chief Election Commissioner, so that is 6-year term or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Who can remove or transfer the judge of one high court to other? So that is President. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by, that is President. Which article deals with Panchayati Raj? That would be Article 40. Which article deals with money bills? So that is Article 110. Which article deals with fundamental duties? That would be Article 51A. Amendment which is known as the mini constitution of India, that is 42nd. Number of official languages in India, that is 22, and these are mentioned in 8th schedule. Which schedule describes a state and respective territory? So that would be first. Directive principles are in which part? That would be Part 4. Parliament of India consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So See, this president is also part of parliament, right? The Speaker of Lok Sabha tenders his resignation to Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which article provides the provision of President? So that would be Article 52. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by whom? So this is also known as CAG, right? CAG. So that is appointed by President. The first state to be created on the basis of language, that would be Andhra. The first woman chief minister of a state in India, Sucheta Kriplani, UP. The custodian of contingency fund of India, that is President. The minimum age for eligibility of president, so that would be 35 years. The term of president and vice president, so both are for 5 years. The parliament session begins with which hour? So that would be question hour. A writ through which Supreme Court orders a public authority to perform its mandatory official duty, that would be mandamus. Which article deals with the right to freedom of religion? That would be Article 25. So we have discussed 100 questions. Please pay special attention to all the questions related to articles. Those are extremely important, or you can say anything related to constitution, amendments, articles, right? Those are more important than other questions. And watch this video again and again, right? I will be posting a separate video on articles, but that would come, I think, 2-3 days later. Okay, so you can like this video, that will help the reach of this video. And if you have any queries, you can also put a comment, and you can consider subscribing our channel, because we will be posting more such videos on frequent basis. Okay, so thank you.